Hey everyone, I'm Ayrton from Digital Marketing Sharks, and today I'm going to show you how to create a chatbot using conversation AI and go high level. If you've been wanting to automate customer interactions across SMS, Facebook, Instagram, or even web chat, this is the way to do it. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step, so by the end of this, you have a fully functional chatbot handling customer inquiries for you. Let's dive in. So you just need to jump right into your high level sub account. I am now under my agency account, which is Digital Marketing Sharks. And now we want to go into settings and click Conversation AI. Now from here, we want to create a bot and we're going to start from scratch. Now it'll bring you to this page here. And when you land here, you're going to see that there are three different chatbot settings. The first is off. Then we have suggestive, where you can see the message in the chat window and manually select a response. It's not an AI chatbot, it's just a guided response system. And finally, the autopilot setting, which is a fully AI powered chatbot. Even though it still says beta, it has been in this stage for months and is a solid AI chatbot that can be leveraged for your business. Based on my research, many users have implemented it without any issues, provided it's set up properly. And now we're gonna pick the autopilot one. And when setting it up, you'll need to decide where you want to the AI chatbot to respond. Like, do you want it to activate on Instagram, SMS, live chat, or the chat widget? You can select whatever channels works for you, but make sure that they're connected to your high level account. Most of these connections are found under the integrations tab. If you want the chatbot to communicate through Facebook, Instagram, or Google My Business, you'll need to integrate those platforms first. So right now we have SMS, Facebook, live chat. That's about it. Now let's create a name for a chatbot. We're the digital marketing shark, so I thought of the shark. And of course, you're gonna put in your business name, which is usually found here in business profile. So let's name it as Digital Marketing Shark here. Now, this is going to be interesting. Now, in autopilot mode, you need to decide how long the bot should wait before replying to messages. This wait time allows the bot to consider multiple messages before responding. Like, for example, if I message someone and ask, "Are you free on Friday?" and she actually sends three messages, "No, I'm not free on Friday, but I'm free on Saturday." If the bot immediately responds after the first message, it might miss the context from the second and third messages, setting a wait time of 10 to 20 seconds ensures that the bot can process multiple incoming messages before formulating a response. If you set the wait time too short, like 1 second, the bot will reply instantly but might not take additional messages into account, leading to incomplete or out of context responses. On the other hand, a longer wait time allows it to provide a more thoughtful reply by considering all incoming messages together. A good starting point is around 15 seconds, or you can just try whichever you like, whichever you want. But me, I'm gonna set it into 20 seconds. Now, you'll also need to set a maximum number of messages the bot can send to a single contact before it stops responding. High level has a limit of 25 messages per conversation, so if you're worried about the bot going off track, you can set a lower limit, like 2 or 3 messages, and review its performance. However, if you want the bot to stay engaged in longer conversations, setting it to the maximum is ideal. And down here, you have the option to put the bot to sleep when a manual message is sent or when a workflow is triggered. You can turn this setting on or off, but I recommend keeping it on. A good starting point is around 2 hours. This means that if a team member or an automated workflow sends a message, the bot will pause its responses for the duration to prevent overlapping communications. Now from there, you would like to save it. I already saved mine. Then we're gonna move to bot training, and here you're gonna see customized bot responses, add Q&A. So what this is in Go High Levels Conversation AI, FAQs are a way to teach the chatbot how to respond to common customer inquiries. Instead of making the bot guess or generate generic replies, you can preload specific questions and answers so it knows exactly what to say. This help keeps responses fast and accurate and consistent. Like for example, if someone asks what are your business hours, the bot can instantly reply with we're open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Or if a customer wants to know how can I book an appointment, the bot can direct them to your website or phone number without missing a beat. You can also update and refine these FAQs anytime to make sure they stay relevant and helpful. Like as you can see here, I've already preloaded a ton of different FAQs like what services do you offer, what is SEO. The answer is already there for the chatbot to use. So setting up FAQs make your chatbot smarter, saves you time, and improves the customer experience by providing quick and reliable answers. Now from here, this is where you set up the FAQs for your AI chatbot. One of the easiest ways to do this is by scraping URLs, which allows the bot to pull information directly from a website. As you can see here, this is the data that is pulled from the website's page, which is the Digital Marketing Sharks website. Like from here, you can see that we offer a ton of different digital marketing services like marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, social media, and a bundle of that. So, moving on back to the bot, you can scrape a specific URL like the agency's website or business's website that you're trying to integrate and let the AI generate FAQs based on the content, which we've already done here, as you can see earlier. However, one downside of this feature is that we can't see or edit the FAQs before they're finalized. While we can preview the website content that's being pulled, there's no way to tweak or refine the FAQs directly before they're added. So that's something to keep in mind as we move forward from here. Now, setting up FAQs for your AI chatbot in a way that gives you the most control over its responses. Instead of relying entirely on scraped URLs, you can manually create and customize FAQs right here. So this means you can get to decide exactly how the bot responds. For example, if a lead asks, how much are your marketing packages? You can program the AI chatbot to reply with something like, well, we have the Angel Shark packages starting at $99 a month, or you can try the Megalodon package, which is $2,974 a month. What type of services are you looking for? You can even add a follow up question to keep the conversation going in a more natural way. Now, I won't lie, manually adding the FAQs takes more time, but it's worth it because it gives you full control over how the bot interacts with leads. And if there's one thing you can take from that, is that there are really only two ways to refine your chatbot's responses. First one is just updating the FAQs, and second is editing the OpenAI prompt that shapes the bot's overall tone and behavior. Well, there aren't a million different settings, but with just these two, you can fine tune the bot's responses until it feels natural and helpful. Remember, testing is key here. Once you've set things up, try it out in the real world scenarios and make adjustments as needed. Now, once you've had your first FAQ set up, you can always edit, delete, or update at any time. And a great way to balance automation and flexibility with your chatbot is by scraping website content manually and then customizing it with AI. So here's what I did. I went to Digital Marketing Shark's website, open multiple tabs of these different services, and just simply everything from the website and copied all the relevant information into a Google Doc, which ended up being 60 pages long, as you can see here. It was a lot of information, but that's the beauty of AI. It can process massive amounts of data in seconds. So next, I'm gonna copy all the text from the Google Doc and drop it into ChatGPT with this simple prompt. So I'll show you a prompt that I'm going to use. I'm creating an AI chatbot and need to train it with FAQs. Help me create sounding human sounding FAQs based on the website data below. Now I'm just gonna put a bracket here and paste all the information. I'm gonna paste all the website content after the prompt, and ChatGPT will quickly generate well-structured FAQs. And now that I've divided the information for ChatGPT to utilize, ChatGPT has now given me uh, tons of new different FAQs that I can use. So from here, it's just a matter of copying and pasting the generated FAQs into the chatbot system. So if you have an assistant or a VA, this is a task they can easily handle for you. The best part is this approach combines the power of AI with the flexibility of manual customization. Like, for example, if you don't know how the bot answers what is digital marketing sharks, you can tweak the response however you'd like. And to give you a pro tip, if you're doing this for a client, always send them the list of FAQs for review, either in an Excel sheet or a document. You can even ask ChatGPT to format it for you. Since FAQs make up about half of how your bot responds, it's crucial to ensure they're accurate and on brand. Now I've split my screen into two here so that I can double check and verify all the information that was given to ChatGPT. There's really nothing wrong with double checking, just to make sure you know. Now, what I want now here is to make uh make it into a paragraph form and turn it into a more conversational tone and more humanized so that the chatbot can sound like you're talking to someone from our team. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has now given me a ton of new different FAQs that I can utilize for our AI chatbot, because one cool thing about FAQs is that they don't always have to be questions. They can also be statements that trigger specific responses. So now you can see here the different accurate and very accurate details and FAQs that uh, I can now use for the chatbot. Now all is left to do is to copy and paste them to add a Q&A. As you can see here, I've copy and pasted everything that I've got from ChatGPT and also made sure it was accurate down to the point. So now that the AI chatbot can now utilize it and work for your benefit. So this works similarly to SEO and trigger words. When a customer types a specific phrase, the bot can automatically send them the right response. At the end of the day, creating an AI chatbot is more of an art than a science. So be creative, experiment, and refine it over time. Now that we've set up the FAQs, let's move on to the final step. Now from here, we're going to bot goals and set up bot's personality and actions. So the bot goals feature is a comprehensive update of the existing configure and send feature within the conversation AI's newer version. So in this feature, you will be able to edit or update prompts for new or existing bots. Additional sub features like triggering a workflow here. Oh, sorry, this one here. You can trigger workflows here and updated contact infos under the name Test Your Bot, providing a unified experience within the bot's goals and features. So from here, the appointment booking bot primarily focuses on scheduling appointments but can still answer questions. If an appointment is already confirmed within the high level system, the bot automatically switches the FAQ support bot to avoid redundant rescheduling. You can choose whether or not to enable this switch, while I generally recommend allowing the bot to transition from booking mode to FAQ mode. You can also toggle the setting to pause the bot after booking for a set number of hours or days preferred. You can see here, can choose that option. But what we want to do is to pick a calendar that's suited for your client and put the consultation appointment here because we want to book appointments. But if you don't want the bot to book appointments directly inside high level, like in the example chat where it suggested times confirm the booking and finalize everything without sending a link, you can toggle on the setting that says don't book appointments here, only send the booking link. Once this setting is activated, other booking related toggles will no longer be available. While sending a booking link might work for some businesses, it adds an extra friction point. Users have to click the link, enter their details, and manually book on the calendar. Instead, allowing the bot to book directly within the chat eliminates these extra steps, reducing drop off rates and increasing conversions. So we're not gonna pick that. And now let's pick a calendar. Pick a calendar that suits uh whichever fits the right calendar to choose from here. So we're gonna pick consultation appointment, and from there, we don't want to pick anything because, like I said from earlier, the bot automatically changes from booking mode to FAQ mode. So let's save it from here. So now let's head on over to ChatGPT, but instead of using the default version, we're going to use a custom GPT called Copilot Studio AI Builder Buddy. This tool was created by Audrey Magno Gordon. So, what does this custom GPT do? Well, it's programmed to generate advanced AI chatbot prompts. All we have to do is give it a simple instruction. I already made one earlier, so I'll show it to you guys in a second. Let me scroll back here. I need you to help me create an AI chat for conversations AI and go high level. I want you to create a chatbot for this business based on their website data. And as you remember from earlier, I've collected all the website data from Digital Marketing Sharks. It was almost like 60 pages. So I fed ChatGPT the information it needed for creating the prompt. And I wanted to be organized. So it gave me here, as you can see in the chatbot back here in Conversations AI bot goals, you'll see personality, intent, and additional information. So I want it to be organized just like that. And it fed me everything I needed. And the last thing I want to do here is send it a proper prompt to please paste the exact prompt into an easy to copy code box with plain text so I can copy it. And now it's easier for me to integrate this into the chatbot that I was creating earlier. So here's the information. I'll copy it, delete the personality. Now that we've copy and pasted the prompt, as you can read here, I've got everything for the chatbot to use. We have conversation guidelines, examples, rules to follow, chatbot functionalities and actions, capturing leads and storing in CRM, appointment scheduling, pricing and service recommendations, handling FAQs and support, enhancements and smart responses. Everything here. Now all that's left to do is to test your bot. Now let's test out our bot here. Start with hey. Can you help me with my business? What services do you suggest with my coaching business? Give a great suggestion. Now let's try to book an appointment. Create an appointment. Let's try and ask, what are the available dates? That sounds great. 9 a.m. would be good. Now you've got a fully functional and working AI chatbot that can now book appointments. So now that you're all set, go ahead and try this AI chatbot. Give Conversations AI a shot and build on your own. Of course, there's going to be a lot of trial and errors, but for now, this is the best way to do it. I hope I covered all the settings clearly for you. As you can see, the Conversation AI only has a few tabs, and if you create your FAQs and chatbot prompts quickly, the setup is actually super simple and fast. Just select your channels, test it out, try again, and connect it to your profiles, and just continue to uh, keep on implementing new things to improve it. Of course, you have to still create a workflow trigger for this, but that's for another video. I've been Ayrton from Digital Marketing Sharks, and have a good day.